All right, so today we're going to be talking about some of these out of bounds plays and the press break here from past teams. So this first one that we're going to see here is, again, based on out of bounds number 4. So we'll go ahead and play this. Again, shoot out of bounds. Notice Troy 40 comes up, set the screen. Okay, Brett finishes with a nice move there, one-on-one. Okay, so watch it one more time. See what you think. Next one we got is a bingo press break. So you can see this one here. All right, we got 4 people sitting up here. Post. Now this is the one. Again, I wish he would have gone to Brett right away because I think Kyle could have been open more in the middle. So again, if we kind of go back here a little bit, notice one thing he does is go right back here instead of going to here first or looking to see if this guy's open. Okay, does reverse it. Good patience, and then we can attack from there. Here's a poor press break then. Notice once again that we are not set up right away. Don't know what's all going on. And we reverse it. And we end up throwing it away. Again, on this one, it would have been nice to get somebody in the middle here. Whether that's this kid here, 24, if he can go middle, or after he threw it, he can go middle. This ends up with a poor turnover for us. So here's the dribble handoff I was talking about. Again, we haven't practiced these very much. Again, this is one that Brett dribbles at Kyle Miller. So you see it coming up right here. Okay, 12 is going to dribble towards 10. He should back cut, but he doesn't, so they did a little dribble handoff here. And it just causes a little bit of confusion and enough time for Kyle to get a step and get a step through and knocks down 2 free throws after that for us. All right, so here's another bingo. Notice I put on here, doesn't face up and look middle. So we're communicating, this is our, okay. So this kid's gonna get it right here. And look at what he did. We'll go back. You'll notice once again, 14 does not face up and look middle. If he would look middle right there, be wide open. Let's go one more time here. Face up and look middle. He does not. If he does, this kid is cutting here and would be wide open, and we'd end up having a layup on the other end, I believe. Okay, this time 14 is going to do a dribble at 32. 32 is going to make a back cut and then a feed to 40 for a layup. So again, 24 passes and clears. Dribble at, back cut, dish, layup. Now I'll run at full speed for you here in a little bit. 24 cuts, 10 cuts. And now we've got 14 dribbling at, 32, dish to 40. Easy 2 points for the Comets. All right, so here's number 3. Again, one of my favorite out of bounds plays against a man-to-man. You're going to see the ball side here is going to go up, and then we're going to set a screen for the other guy. Notice 14 comes up. 2 is going to find his guy, set a screen, the poor screen at that. Okay, but 14's got to do a better job also of stopping and kind of waiting for that screen to happen. Okay, boom, wait. See how he's going to already take off here a little bit? He's not setting his guy up any, not giving 2 a chance to even set a screen. All right, here's another bingo. Several comments over here. Good cut middle, even though he doesn't get it. Tap the sideline, and good cut again in the middle. So let's see what we do here. Okay, right? Good cut middle, even though he doesn't get it, it's open. But we reverse it. Now again, look what's wide open here. Maybe we should have tapped the sideline. But we don't. We just end up reversing it. And then we have patience here by Brett. He does not get flustered by being trapped. And notice how Kyle doesn't just stand right here where he's at. He's going to make a cut, and now he's going to be open, and then we're going to end up getting a layup. Here we go again at regular speed. Boom, open. Attack that sideline. Patience. Good cut here again in the middle. Here's what I was talking about. A good leader. I really want you to watch 12 over here. Watch 12. Watch his communication as these kids are coming in. Okay. We have a lot of, this is a senior class, but he's going to be a sophomore. He's a junior. He's a senior that didn't play that much all the time. These two are starters right here. So watch 12's communication during this play. Great job being a leader. And he's going to set up the next play, which is our bingo at half court. But we'll look at him communicate to everybody on the floor. Great use of a substitution, dead ball time, and him to create that leadership opportunity. So here's exactly what he was drawing up. He was basically saying this three-quarter court press was giving us trouble, so we just made a quick adjustment by moving bingo to half court. And watch how easy this works. We throw it back to 24. Okay, notice we have bingo set up here at half court. All we did was threw the ball in, get it back to our reversal guy, and now we're looking at bingo being right here, and watch how well they run this. Lay it, boom, there we go. Had a chance at a layup there, no take. Nothing, boom, he hits a three. And once again, here it comes. We move bingo to half court. Great execution on a change on the fly by this group of kids. The other thing I really liked here what 14 did is he did a nice job of not just dribbling himself into trouble, but he stops and he looks and sees what's happening. So good job on him, by him on that part. All right, here's number one, baseline out of bounds. Okay. So I'd like to see number two to get a better screen here. But 24 also needs to set his man up. See how 24 just stand there? I'd like to see 24 take a step towards this baseline here, get his guy to move just a little bit, maybe not even see that screen coming, and then two can set a better screen on that, without a doubt. This is a great position by 40 here on a fast break. He gets the rebound. He's trailing. He's trailing. Watch the position. He's coming in. Boom. Look at him seal that right there. Great position. Going to give himself 2 free throws here, I believe. Yeah. So once again, watch this position 40 gets here. You don't have to be the fastest kid down the floor. You just got to be the one that's in the right spot. So great job by 40 there, getting that great position. All right, here's number 3 again. Baseline out of bounds. These two are going to run it much better. They've been running a long time. Good screen by 40. Don't get a layup out of it, but we get an easy inbounds. Okay, so once again, 32 is going to come up a little bit slower. He's going to wait on that screen a little bit longer. Therefore, he can get a good screen. And we get ourselves a chance there. Okay. So I believe that's all for now. I will get some more on there as well for some other things. But this just gives you an idea of 3 of our bounce plays and things we can do with bingo as well.